I had the chance to partake in some client meetings and prep for depositions and future activities, and that was incredibly interesting. It really gave me a glimpse into the day-to-day life of attorneys and what they do while I'm doing all the legal research and writing.
Yeah, I had a chance to partake in the brainstorming and strategy sessions. I thought that was really helpful because it showed how attorneys work together at Quarles in a collaborative environment, and how people bring in different skill sets to complete a project and really strive to meet the client's interests. And being a part of that as a summer and being able to sit on that was really beneficial, and I think it fit my personality really well.
I had this client interview with for one of my immigration projects. I work with another attorney, Emily. We interview the applicants for his case.
Well, I was able to attend the domestic violence injunction hearings, which is a pro bono that the firm does. And we were able to see client interviews and cross-examination. And it was also nice because we could give back to the community by helping people that were pretty vulnerable and in a tough situation.
One of the bankruptcy attorneys took me in another summer to federal court for a hearing. And for my first bankruptcy case, I got to see him in an oral argument against the opposing party, and I found this just stunning.
The most exciting thing I got to do this summer was help out in a trial. I think I would like to be a trial lawyer, so getting to help the attorneys with some motions ahead of time, aid with the trial, and work after the trial on some post-verdict motions was a pretty rewarding experience.
Sitting down with attorneys one-on-one to sort of discuss issues and brainstorm about sort of where they were coming from and what they wanted me to look for, and sort of see how they were going to approach the issue, and then following up with them later on after I had done my own research, and then getting to again go through the issue and discuss it with them and see where they thought I could improve my research or go off in another direction. So I really think that one-on-one attorney interaction with the assigning attorney was really awesome.
It was for an orphanage, and we were doing this analysis under the Fair Labor Standards Act, and I had done a few hours of research, and I got into Craig's office the next day, and we were going to talk to the client on the phone. And Craig had asked me a question the day before, and I had done some research on it, but basically I had to go in there and talk to the client about what I thought the law was.
So I was working with Will Walden in labor and employment on an issue that he is going to have coming up in the fall for a case he has, and he really needed me and Nicole to help him brainstorm ideas and arguments for this case.
I sat on 2 depositions, and the first deposition we were being deposed, and one of our client's employees was being deposed.
And I think from a substantive perspective, one of the more challenging assignments I did was an antitrust research project that came to be a client, a white paper, but it's a paper that kind of helps clients guide them through antitrust issues.
We were really lucky this summer. I got to go to a bunch of different hearings, and I really enjoyed seeing the different attorneys and how they presented their case with different judges, and you could see that their personalities shine through, but it really worked for them.